How to fix music failed to play track error in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset app preferences, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three dots more option, click on reset app preferences, click on reset. After click on reset, app preferences will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app cache, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search music, click on music, scroll down, click on storage. Now here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, music cache will be clear from your phone. This is how you can fix music fail to play track error in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.